Okay, so this is like day 2. So one of the biggest things that I hate doing is I hate calling. I hate calling, but what I'm learning is I'm falling in love with calling. And it's mainly because of this. And what's going on is this is keeping me on track. So what we have here, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, right? And so we have ask, right? These are the people. No, it's just me asking people, hey, do you know of anybody that wants to start a sober living, right? And so I wasn't doing that because I'm so used to helping people that I don't feel like I need to ask people. And so I knew I had to get over that because that's not business, and it's okay to ask people if they know somebody that's trying to start a sober living. So if you know of anybody that's trying to start a sober living, let me know. Hey, you know what? That's an ask. And I'm going to put that right here on Tuesday. Okay. So we have the ask part. And then the next one are the booked appointments, right? And so after I call, so I should probably start down here. After I call, I make a call. And then I would go ahead and then I would /1 if I got a booked appointment, right? And then, so that's exactly kind of how it goes. So it starts like this. It's 100 calls a week. There's 20 booked appointments a week. And then there's 50 ask a week. And then the offers. What I didn't realize, and if you're in business, making the offer is it. It's what you're supposed to do in business. And if you're watching this and you are trying to start a sober living up, it's the same thing with you, right? You might book a tour, but the idea is you might need to just say, hey, you know what? You ready to move in? That's simple, And it might be based on something like this. Based on everything that you shared with me, I feel that this would be a great home for you to restart in. That's simple, right? But it's part of what we do is we ask and we make offers, right? So remember, ask is a little bit different. Do you know of anybody who's looking for a sober living bed? That's an ask. An offer is somebody saying, hey, you know what? I need to offer people my services. So you might say, hey, check this out. Do you know of, are you ready to be able to come into my sober living? I just had like a whole brain fart like just then. That really happened. Back to business. So long story short, so it's 100 calls a week, 20 booked appointments a week, 50 ask a week. I can never ask a week because yeah, that might not. And then offers, right? So like last week I started this this is all new, right? So I started it like midweek and I made 3 offers, right? And that's what it's really about, just making those offers. And so also, what else? This, I want to show you this. That up there. What is that? And what are all those other things up there, right? So this right here is simply just my calendar that's on my desk, right? For July. And what I did was I put this, after I got through with July, I put it up there. And so like I got one here for this month, August, that will be ending in like 8 days. And then so on and so forth, right? So we got July, August, September, October, November, December, and then January. It's a little off. Okay. And so essentially, this is based on the 30-day rule. And if you don't know about the 30-day rule, it goes like this. The business that the prospecting that you do within a 30-day period sets up the next 90 days of your business, right? So whatever I do in the 30-day period will set up the next 90 days of business for me, right? And so essentially, that's what I'm doing. So like this is my first 30-day rule, right? And I literally had, look at this, no tracking. Like there was nothing, none of this was taking place because I don't think my awareness was there. And I'm realizing like there's these bottlenecks, right? Like not knowing that I need to do something different until I figure that out, and now it's a bottleneck, and then I'll take it to chat, or I'll take it to my sponsor, or I'll ask somebody else in my support group about, hey, what do you think I should do about this? Right? Because I don't have to go ahead and win by myself. That's another thing I learned, because back in the day, the old Daryl that came from California thought that he had to do everything by himself. I'm learning I could be able to ask you, do you know of anybody that might want to start a sober living? That's an ask.